Good morning, good evening, and good afternoon, and welcome back to another video. This video, I've been looking through my analytics on my channel. I noticed people greatly prefer videos under 30 minutes, which is bad because all my videos are over 30 minutes, except for the one or two, and they got the most views. But I'll keep this one shorter than usual. And if you're just click through here on some random chance, you don't have to watch the ones in this kind of series. They don't really establish like any characters or anything other than like in the very first episode. In that one I wasn't talking at all. But the campaign is mostly just level after level of shooting things and blowing stuff up. So if you're new here, go ahead and enjoy this one. And if you've returned here from watching all the previous ones, first of all, good on you. That's like several hours of content. But welcome, and I guess that's all I have to say. This one's going to be shorter, and enjoy the video.
We examined the unique
behavior
that controlled the giant creatures in the Rebellion's underground facilities. We reverse engineered the technology and successfully implemented it into our own gear.
However, controlling giant creatures requires a lot of power.
When it comes to practical use, it will only function when overdrive activates.
Okay, I was just getting the game here and that started playing. I guess we have a gear that can control the enemies now. That's cool. See what's happening here. What is it? No, I can't even select that. Let's see what's in here. Prowl Rider. Huh. What is an E-needle? It's a lot less defense than the heavy striker armor. I guess I'll figure out what this is. Living tank. Wolf Spider, controlled using technology obtained from studying specimen number 1, which would be the Storm Ant. Deathstalker. Yeah. So this would be a melee, mid-range, and I guess long range, although it doesn't specify. I don't know. This guy can walk on walls. Destroy buildings. I guess I'll start with the first one. And we're not even gonna practice. Actually,
hey, closer. What you need?
We're in a more open area. I might choose a different gun. What is this? Huh. Yeah, I'm gonna buy this.
Right away. Just no returns, okay?
Yeah, I'll leave the miniguns out. And let's see what this thing does. In Rescue Mission, I believe was the name of this one. Oh, it's like a grappling hook. Cool. Alright. E-wire. How do I use it?
Your goal this
Oh, like
mission
that.
is to support the other teams. The teams dispatched to this area are surrounded by enemies and are currently unable to move.
Damn, Closer! Straight out of a comic book!
Another feature of the Prowl Rider. Use your wire for accelerated movement.
We've got to do something.
I got a trophy that said travel 200 meters using the wire. So that's shotgun. That's rocket launcher.
Spotted on bikes!
What's this? I forgot to read what the other one was. Sniper rifle, maybe? Maybe 2 is sniper rifle. No, that's rocket launcher. 3? I think 3 is sniper rifle. I mean... Oh, it's reloading. This is definitely a more mobile type of class. What? Hey. Oh, I need to be jumping in order for it to take me. What? Hey. Yeah, 3 is sniper rifle. Come on. Yeah, I gotta pick a better secondary one that's quicker to the draw.
Nice going. But I'm still getting other requests for support. Head straight for the next point.
Thank you, Closer.
What's the next
The
one?
yellow marker on the radar is the target.
Oh, down there.
Team found. Now let's give them a hand. Found our friends. They're surrounded by enemies.
Get real
Get some more.
serious.
Help them out.
Got the short end of the stick.
Take out the surrounding enemies and save that team.
Let's get out of here. Oh, this is great. I'm a futuristic Spider-Man. Two is the rocket launcher. Oh.
Look at those numbers.
Might as well use this thing.
Is this the Prowl Riders?
That's right. The giant creature's unique pheromone, combined with a neuropulse,
What is this?
allow you to control them at will.
Is that thing safe? It won't fight, will it?
That's great. I can climb on walls with this thing. I would say don't watch this if you get motion sick. Probably should have said that earlier.
I'm learning a lot watching you.
Oh, there goes the building. This is great. Oh, did a full circle there.
Is that all of them? Looks like it's all clear. Let's move on.
There's Just one left. Hurry up and take out the surrounding enemies.
Boss team. You were a
I
sight
love
for
this thing.
sore eyes.
When I manage to hit my targets.
The target's too damn small.
Excellent assault. Nice work, Team Rocket.
How long are these wires? Every time I attach to a building, I think it's too far away. But hey, I'm dead. Alright, I'm finished messing around. I'm gonna have some better better weapons for this mission. Back in action.
Your goal this mission? To support the other teams. The teams dispatched to
I
this
managed to
area
grab
are
a
surrounded by
shotgun
enemies
for
and are
my
currently unable to
secondary.
move. You are to exterminate the enemies that have those teams locked down.
Got it. Commencing support.
I bought a new one actually.
Damn, closer. Straight out of a comic book.
Another feature of the Prowl Rider. Use your wire for accelerated
Yep, stuns
movement.
them.
Boss team. We're saved.
Oh, it reloads in the background too. It's like a flare that blinds them. Oh, gonna blow myself up. Sometimes it doesn't work. I think certain buildings it doesn't work on. But no, I jump all on it and it does that. I think this mixture of like shotgun, sniper rifle, and rocket launcher is perfect for being up here.
There's just so many.
And if I ever get overwhelmed, I use my other shotgun, which stuns them.
There's a whole swarm of them.
Looks like you've gotten used to your new gear nicely.
Learning fast. Just as I expected.
I was hoping that did some damage so I could kill him with it, but guess not.
Nice going. But I'm still getting other requests for support.
I might as well reload while I'm getting over there.
Closer.
Recharging energy.
Yep, there goes my energy. Wait, I'm just standing on the building.
This mess.
PA unit online.
Team found. Now let's give them a hand. Found our friends. They're surrounded by enemies.
I'm getting real
There's some
sick
more.
of this.
Help them out.
Got the short end of the stick.
Take out the surrounding enemies and save that team.
we go. Oh, I'm just in the balcony now. Come on. Yeah. Oh, I'm reloading. What? Yep, stun him. Get out of here. Gonna get out of there. Oh, I'm out of the battle area.
Hey, are you abandoning your duty? Get back here!
Look at those numbers.
I don't think it matters how long I take to do this.
Damn it.
Quite impressive.
I'm reloading.
Major damage to PA gear. Evacuation recommended.
I think if it's at too much of an angle, it doesn't bring me up.
Is that all of them? Looks like it's
Yep.
all clear. Let's move on.
I hit the tree.
The target is the yellow marker on the radar.
What?
Don't worry about me, squad leader. Is everyone alright?
What?
There's just one left. Hurry up and take out the surrounding enemies.
Boss team! You're a sight for sore eyes.
There we go. I see a lot of enemies down there.
It's our only option left.
Oh, there goes that building. Oh, let's get out of there. Doing some work outside. You happen to hear that? I'm trying to kill them, but it's very difficult. I know it.
Is this the Prowl Riders?
That's right. The giant creature's unique pheromone, combined with a neuropulse,
Where?
allows you to control them at will.
Yeah, where is my question? Where is my thing? It's way down there, of course it is. I just blew myself up.
Core locking down.
Come on! Closer!
Alright.
Closer!
I know not to activate my thing on top of a building. I'm gonna get a different secondary. That shotgun is fun, but it's not really useful, the stun one. And I'm back. Skip through the first couple parts because you already know what happens. I'm on my way and I found a bus.
HQ! Where are those reinforcements? HQ!
There's just one left. Hurry up and take out the surrounding enemies.
Boss team!
You're a sight for sore eyes. Where are you going, Closer?
That's outside the field of battle!
Warning. You left the mission area. Please return to mission area immediately.
Let's do this!
This sword is much better than the shotgun I had earlier.
Baby spiders! They ain't gonna like to whoop
Warning. Servo motor loads are high.
Oh no. Let's go.
Outriders.
That's right. The giant creature's unique pheromone, combined with a neuropulse, allow you to control them at will.
That thing's safe. It won't bite, will it? They'll keep coming until you kill the mother.
What's behind me?
Not bad, Closer.
That's all of them.
Closer! You're a hero!
Yep.
You're a hell of a soldier, Closer. There's a saying. Good swimmers die in rivers. Overconfidence and carelessness are most dangerous in areas where you're strongest.
One.
Last team, headed home.
I'll take care of the rest.
Hayes here. Roger that.
This is great. Reminds me of the Spider-Man video game that came out a little while ago. And the Miles Morales kind of spin-off that came out more recently.
This is UNN, Universal News Network.
Every time we go
Gideon,
somewhere.
leader of the terrorist organization Kindred Rebellion, has made a statement addressing the EDF.
Oh no.
In the statement, he strongly criticizes the EDF's attack on the Rebellion underground facility and has threatened retaliation for it. We don't have the details, but according to a reliable source, the EDF attacked a Rebellion facility built in the abandoned subway tracks under areas C-15 through 20, and there were many casualties on both sides.
No, they weren't. We didn't lose
any new
anyone.
information as it comes in. Universal News Network, signing off.
They're gonna retaliate, they say.
Bring it on! I'll knock them down any day of the week.
But Captain, I wonder what their motives are.
Never thought they'd be raising aggressors.
Alright. Like I said at the start, I'm gonna try and keep this one shorter. I'm recording for about little over 35 minutes. I'm gonna edit this down, see what I can make out of it, and hopefully someone chooses it. And you don't necessarily have to... I'll go over that in the intro. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, as short as it was, and I'll see you next time.